General Pipe Cleaner's Sewerooter T-4 Power Drain Cleaner with automatic feed does a better job of clearing inside drain lines up to 100 feet long with 9/16" Flexicore cable. It has more torque than traditional half-inch cables, yet it can be used to clear the same 3 to 4-inch drain lines. Need to clear tree roots too? Just switch drums to 75 feet of 5/8" Flexicore cable to clear 3 to 6-inch lines. Our exclusive Flexicore wire rope center cable has the ability to handle high torque loads without kinking or breaking. We coil high-grade wire tightly around 49-strand wire rope, making an integral core that greatly increases strength. It's so tough, it carries a 1-year warranty, the strongest warranty in the industry. The heavy-duty variable speed power cable feed drives and retracts 9/16 and 5/8" cables at up to 20 feet per minute. To adjust to different cable sizes, simply turn the knob on top of the feed. The screwdriver stays in the toolbox. The heavy-duty powder-coated steel drum holds 100 feet of 9/16" cable for inside drain lines and 75 feet of 5/8" cable to clear tree roots and other difficult obstructions. The unique self-aligning Flexitube distributor tube reduces the risk of cable tangling in the drum. The handle is tall enough to make it easy to transport to the job, yet quickly folds to take less room in your truck. The heavy-duty reinforced frame and drum support shaft take rough handling in the field. Big 10-inch heavy-duty semi-pneumatic wheels roll easily over rough terrain. V-belt stair climbers make it easier for you to take the machine up a flight of stairs by yourself. And a truck loading wheel in the handle makes it easier for one person to lift the machine into a truck bed. The Sewerooter T-4 gives you more cleaning power than smaller mid-size machines, yet weighs less and has a narrower profile than big root-cutting machines. For inside lines or heavy-duty root-cutting jobs, the durable Sewerooter T-4 is the most versatile mid-size drain cleaning machine on the market. If you have questions, you can always call the Drain Brains at General. General Pipe Cleaners, the toughest tools down the line.